If you're choosing between ChatGPT and Gemini, you're really comparing OpenAI's mature ecosystem versus Google AI's native search engine. Let's break it down. ChatGPT, especially with GPT-4, is designed for versatility. It's great for writing, coding, planning, learning, and even generating images with tools like DALL-E. The Pro version unlocks GPT-4, file uploads, voice chat, memory, and web browsing, all inside a slick, distraction-free interface. It's built for productivity and widely used by students, professionals, and creators across the board. But the free version runs 3.5, which feels noticeably weaker for nuanced tasks. Gemini, formerly Bard, is now deeply tied into Google's ecosystem. It can pull real-time data from search engines, understand YouTube videos, summarize Gmail threads, and work directly in Docs, Sheets, and more. Gemini 1.5 Pro offers long context windows and solid reasoning, but its responses can feel more search-like and less conversational like ChatGPT. And while it's catching up fast, some users find Gemini slower or less accurate in creative and coding tasks. Reddit and X users say ChatGPT feels smoother, smarter, and more reliable, especially with GPT-4 Turbo. And Gemini gets points for Google integration, but still feels experimental in tone and in polish. Use ChatGPT if you want a refined AI assistant that excels across writing, research, and complex workflows. And go with Gemini if you live inside Google tools and want tight search integration with real-time info.